Hi there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation, family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering a warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVs. For sale today, we have a 2008 Phoenix Cruiser M-2350 with 24,783 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2008 Phoenix Cruiser M-2350. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. Today, my brother Levi and I are in charge of the main operations. Our brother-in-law Greg is in charge of the shop. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process. We will go through a full demo at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. Gonna get going on this unit here. We've got hard surface flooring throughout. Makes it easy to keep things clean in here. Got about 76 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach. Got about 73.5 inches here at the air conditioner. The air conditioner is controlled via the switches on the other side, and that runs on AC power, so your shore power plug-in or your generator. Got a fantastic fan back here that runs on DC power, so your coach battery. You can use this like an attic fan at night if you open up the windows in here. That will bring the cool outside air in. Got a chair here that swivels. Got a belt on this chair. Got a plate holder, paper towel holder, DVD player. Nice, easily accessible entryway here. Got your awning crank here. This is a screen door that pulls across here. A little bit of a step up and in, but not much. Got a fire extinguisher, coach battery disconnect that disconnects the coach battery to prevent parasitic draw. That will also disconnect the charging systems, which are the shore power plug-in, the generator, and the alternator while you drive. Got a power switch for the power step outside. You can turn that on and off. That way it won't open every time you open and close the door if you're staying somewhere. Got a porch light switch, counter flip out here to create more counter space. Got Corian countertops. A little boo-boo on the wallpaper there. Got a window that opens here with a screen on the right side. You can pop this blind down here if you'd like. And got these nice Corian countertops, single basin sink. Got a 2-burner propane cooktop. This area back here is so you can put these covers back there while you're cooking. Got your levels test here for your holding tanks, fresh water tank, your LP gas, your liquid propane, and your coach battery. Just going to push this button here to test those. Got your hood, light, and fan. You also turn your water pump on and off here. That uses the coach battery to pump the water out of your onboard fresh water tank. We've got a convection microwave oven here. .110 power. On-off switch for the water heater. This can be used on electric power or on propane gas. This ignites itself. Got 2 drawers and a slide-out cutting board. Just opposite that on the driver's side, we've got this separate fridge freezer. This is a 2-way, meaning it runs on AC power, so your shore power plug-in or your generator or propane gas. It's all controlled via the controls there on the front of the unit. I would recommend keeping that on the auto setting. That will do what it needs to do to stay cool as long as you have the appropriate fuel. Got your fuse panel here with your AC breakers and your DC fuses behind this little cover. We've got a trip light inverter. So your inverter takes your DC coach battery, inverts it back to AC, so you can use your plugins to watch TV perhaps. Here below the dinette. Got nice big storage bays. Those are furnace ducts. So this is a ducted furnace system. You can see a duct coming out right there. Got AC power here below the dinette. So I'm going to show you here in just a moment, but this table is going to drop down and sit on these little slats here to make up your big bed. You got 4 belts on the dinette here, so a total of 7 belts in this unit. Got a window that opens with a screen on this side. You can pull the blinds down. Start-stop switch for the Onan gas generator. This is a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan techs. That has 115 hours. So again, you're going to drop the table down to make up the dinette bed. I'm going to drop some pictures here so you can see what that looks like and get some measurements. The dinette bed measures approximately 71 inches long or north-south and measures approximately 36 inches wide or east-west, with one of the cushions being narrower at about 31 inches. The table legs are able to be stored conveniently below the tabletop. Moving now towards the back bedroom area. A nice big wardrobe here with a light. Got your furnace return below and another duct. I was mistaken earlier when I mentioned that the air conditioner was controlled on the unit itself. It is not. It's all controlled through this thermostat, so that includes your furnace and your air conditioner. Got 110 power in the back of this cabinet here, as well as a TV connection. Got your manuals there in that bag. So we got a window with a screen portion here on the right. If you need to open this up in case of emergency, you can't escape out of this window. We got the screen portion here on the right. Got the blinds that you can pull down on both of these windows. These are all connected. We got speakers back here that are connected to the head unit up front, so whatever the driver and passenger are listening to will also play back here. It's nice to have a real mattress in your RV, especially when you're this small. You don't often find this. Put some measurements on the screen here. We got a little bit of a taper, so it's going to taper down to a little smaller measurement here at the bottom. But again, nice having a real mattress here. Noxious gas detector. It's got an exhaust fan there in the ceiling. Got a window that opens with a screened portion on the left. Got a switch there for some tank heaters, toothbrush holder, your bathroom sink. Nice shower here, lots of room. Pull this curtain here across. Got 110 power there on the wall right by the toilet. Nice, easily accessible bathroom, not much of a step up and into the shower, and easy to get to the stool. Here we are sitting in the back of the RV. What do you call it when a snowman has a temper tantrum? A meltdown. And some smoke detectors on the ceiling. We've got this curtain here that you can pull across in the back to block off the bedroom area. So it's just going to pull across the hallway here and clip there. Here in the front, we've got a tension rod that was added by the previous owner. You can pop that out if you don't like it, but you can pull this curtain across. We've also got a curtain that goes across the front windshield area if you'd like to block that off. An area here with DC and AC power, other connection goodies. Got your TV up here in the front. Another storage bay. So all in all, a really, really nice Phoenix Cruiser here. Got some blemishes outside on the striping, but inside it's very, very clean. Not finding a whole lot of blemishes on this one. I'm gonna call this one a 9 out of 10. We got Snowmageddon 2022 starting up outside. As you can see, the snowy weather coming in here. So everybody be careful out there. Everybody stay safe. Be careful on the roads. Just take extra time and caution. Again, 9 out of 10 here. Check this one out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Up here in the cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power heated mirrors, tilt, cruise, CD player. Got your backup camera monitor up here. Upholstery's in very, very good condition. Maybe a teeny tiny blemish there. Just a little scratch on the leather. Carpet's nice and clean. Not seeing any signs of smoking in the form of stains, no burn marks, no funny smells. The cigarette lighter is unused. So although it's always hard to say for certain, I'm gonna call this one a non-smoker. Alrighty folks, we're gonna go around the outside of this 2008 Phoenix Cruiser M-2350. This RV measures 24 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. The front tires are brand new and the rear tires have a date code of 2016. This RV is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 6.8 liter V10 engine with 24,783 miles. Got a good looking exterior on this one for the most part. I'm gonna point out some blemishes as we go around. The decals on the driver's side here are a little cleaner than the passenger side. Got some discoloration going on here. I think that's part of that diamond shield. As those get older, those can oxidize like that. Got your porch light. Nice little handle to help you get in and out of the coach here. Power step that comes in and out when the door opens. Got 2 coach batteries, back of the water heater. Got 2 110 outlets so you can plug things in here beneath the awning. Got a fill for the onboard freshwater tank. Get you a little closer look at the stripes here. This is the exhaust over the stove. Got a nice storage bay here. That's your water pump there on the floor. You can flip this up to help you get in here. If you'd like, this drawer just slides in and out. Got some marking here on this rear corner. Also right there. Come around to the back, got your backup camera. Got a ladder for rooftop access. You can flip this up to be able to access this compartment here. Got a tow package as well. Got your sewer hose here. Some other goodies. Got a full-size spare behind this cover. Over here to the driver's side, this has a macerator pump that pumps out through this tube. That's the macerator right there. We've got power gates, so your gates are operated just by pushing these buttons. You're gonna do the black and then the gray as usual. Turn the pump on and off right there. We've got a gray and a black tank flush over here as well. Got the fill for the onboard, or excuse me, the fuel fill for the engine and the generator. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank. Got the outside showers, it's nice for kids, pets, going to the beach, things like that. City water connection, got telephone in, TV in, shore power inlet. Show you some of these decals here on the driver's side. Some of the usual age you'd expect for a 2008. Nothing that affects the fun or usability of this RV. Got the furnace exhaust here, the back of the refrigerator. Got your propane tank here, got a gauge there. That's filled right here. This is attached to the motorhome, so you'll have to drive this motorhome wherever you'd like to have that filled. Got the onboard Onan generator. Nice Phoenix Cruiser here, nice floor plan, ready to hit the road.